baby.
But I want work.
But Daddy's sleeping.
I'm always Mom. I promise.
Baby. You don't want to play with Mommy?
I can play it out of my toes over. That's so much.
But I want to play.
We can play out of my toes over.
And how many shows are you going to watch?
2.
2?
Yes.
That's a long time. I want to play.
We can watch 2. Okay. Okay? 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 Okay?
But you don't want to play with Mommy first?
Look, I want to watch something. And then I can play.